Engine oil filter, replace. Preliminary activities or conditions. Position the vehicle on ground level or 2-post lift or 4-post lift and turn engine off. Open the bonnet and lock it in open position using bonnet stay rod. Engine oil filter removal procedure. Notice. Using a 27 mm 12-point double hexagonal socket spanner, loosen the engine oil filter bowl. Caution. Remove the engine oil filter with bowl from engine assembly. Caution. Carefully rotate the oil filter element in clockwise direction. Caution. Pull upward and remove the filter element. Engine oil filter installation procedure. Notice. Notice. Smear a layer of fresh oil on new oil filter O-ring and position the O-ring on filter cap. Caution. 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 Place the oil filter in the bowl projection. Push the filter inside and rotate the filter in anti-clockwise direction to lock it. Position the oil filter cap with filter on the oil cooler surface. Tighten the oil filter cap in clockwise direction and torque tighten cap to the specified value. Torque 25 to 30 Newton meters. Inspect engine oil level and top up if required. Maximum level, minimum level. Start the engine and check for oil leakage or seepage at oil sump and crankcase joint, oil sump drain plug, oil filter joint. Switch off the engine. Close the bonnet.